Hi, I'm Max Tucci, celebrity chef and lifestyle expert. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken skewers with peanut butter, brown sugar, and olive oil. What we're going to need is some peanut butter, some olive oil, some honey, some brown sugar, and some chicken breast that we've cooked. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now you're going to take these bamboo skewers. You can find them at any supermarket. They're one of my favorite things. And all you're going to do is literally put that chicken cube right on there. And I like to just stack it up on its way, and we're going to put that peanut butter on there in just a minute. So once that chicken is on that skewer, you're going to take that peanut butter, you're going to put it into a bowl, mix it together, put some of the honey right into that bowl. I love to use honey and peanut butter. It's like a honey chicken, so don't be freaked out with all these ingredients. I know it sounds different. Just a little bit of olive oil. Put it right into that bowl. Take some brown sugar, a pinch or two or three. I like 3 pinches. Stir that all together. And what you're going to do is you're going to coat that chicken with this. So take that spoon, put it right onto that chicken, and you're going to put that right onto your grill. Now it's going to sizzle. Open up that lid, holding the bottom skewer so they don't slide down. And you've got yourself some really delicious peanut butter chicken skewers. I'm Max Tucci, and thanks for watching.